Hello,
Hi. What's your name?
Nick.
Nick. How old are you?
Yes,
28? 26? 20? 22?
no,
Then what is your age? I don't want
21.
to guess. 21? Oh my god, you're too young for me. Bye. Your hair is cute. English? Buwang. Buwang daw siya ba?
Oh, sexy girl.
Annyeong. Annyeong. Bye. Okay. Dagan ng bata dali. Uy. Asan naman ang mga 35 above? Above 35 bucks. Asa naman eh? Asa naman?
Oh no!
Hi. Thank you. You're cute. I'm good. I'm Jessica, and I'm 35. Nice meeting you too. Bye.
Ngayon di man ni mustorya ng mga lalaki diri we amang
Hey, hey,
Hey, hello?
Hey.
Somebody there?
hello.
Why is it so dark? I can only see your hair. Where? So that I can see your face. Bye. Ayan kay ko. Siya. Ngit-ngit. Muang.
Hey,
Hi.
oh my god, you look really beautiful.
Oh, thank you. You look great.
Thank you.
What's
You
your
have a
name?
cute smile.
Oh, thank you.
My name is Loic, and you?
I'm Jessica.
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 Yeah.
Okay.
Where's
Do you
your
have a
house?
cat? I heard some
Yeah.
cat.
We have a lot of cats outside.
Yeah, are they just
Yeah, I think they're
Crazy.
fighting with each other.
yeah. Maybe I have something to ask you. Are you in pyjama?
What?
Clothes for sleeping or something?
Yeah.
Because you look really beautiful and kinda sexy.
How
So-
old are you?
How many do you think?
Or 24? 24?
21? Oh, 28. And you?
Can you guess?
24?
No, I'm older
Is that
than
me?
you. Yeah.
Really? Oh no, you have baby face.
Oh my god!
35.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's amazing. You look younger. You look really beautiful actually.
Thank you.
Do you have a boyfriend? Are you married? Something like that?
Sadly,
No?
I don't have.
It's better for me, right?
But I'm enjoying my life as a single.
Yeah, of course. You can.
Yeah.
You're free, so you can do whatever you want.
Yeah.
That's true. Oh my god, I love your smile.
Oh my god! Wow!
Because I think you're really beautiful actually.
Thank you. But anyway,
Yes.
it's nice meeting you.
Anyway,
I really
okay.
need to go now because it's already 12 in midnight here. Nice meeting you.
It was very nice to meet you. Yeah.
Take
Oh
care.
my god. Mhm.
Bye.
Bye.
Are you transgender?
OMG. Are you a transgender? Gihimo kong transgender, baya. Oh, wait lang. Diba mga transgender diri nato na mga Pinay? Mga herbs. So, herbs?
Hello.
Hello! How are you?
5 hours you. I'm fine. 5 hours you here. You. Oh my God.
What?
I look at this 10 times. I look at you. I look at you for here.
How many times?
How are you? Yeah, 5 times I look.
5 times? Oh, my bad. Sorry.
How are you? You okay?
Yeah, I'm doing good. You?
Yeah.
What's your
Yeah,
name?
not bad, not bad. My name Zoza.
Can you say that again?
Zoza.
I can't.
Zoza.
Zoza.
Yeah.
One eternity later.
Zoza.
Za?
Uh.
It's hard.
It's very hard. It's
Yeah,
hard.
it's
Yeah.
very hard.
You? What's your name? You?
Pan champong chabi chong chong. Pan champong chabi chong chong.
No. It's
Pan.
more hard to you. Sorry,
No, it's
you
simple.
more hard.
It's very simple.
Tell
Repeat after me. Pan
Pan,
cham
cham,
pong
pong,
sa
sa,
bisong song.
bisong, song.
Yeah, you're
Is the-
intelligent. Nice meeting you. I really need to go. I
Go.
need to go to the bathroom and poo.
Please, just I text your name. 1
I need
minute,
to
yeah?
poo.
Just 1 minute.
Need to go to the bathroom because I need to poo.
Are you going to toilet?
I don't get it.
Take the phone and you go to toilet, you poo. Don't worry.
Yeah.
I don't see you. Just you poo. Don't worry.
Guys, gigiti ko sa panchampong chabi chong chong.
Nagparty na lang po mga amigo-amiga ko, wala may text. Wala titig ko eh. Oh my gosh.
Hi.
Hi.
Wow. Nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you too. What's your name? Thank you.
I'm John.
John. I'm Cheska. No, I don't use Skype.
Nice to meet you, Jessica. Have you Skype?
I don't use Skype.
What?
I only have Facebook
Oh.
and Instagram.
How old are you?
I'm 35.
35?
Yeah. You?
Guess my age.
I think you're 24.
More.
28?
26.
26.
You are married?
No.
You are married. What?
I need to look first for a boyfriend for getting married.
I am your boyfriend. I am your boyfriend. I am your boyfriend. I am your boyfriend.
Bye.
Why?
What?
Hello,
Hi. What's your name?
my name is Dimitris. You alone?
Your name is You're Not Alone?
My name is Dimitris.
Dimitris.
You alone?
Yeah. So sad, right? I'm always alone in my life.
Do you want to?
Dude, crap!
Oh my god.
No!
No. Bye.
Oh, Philippines. Hey,
Hey, you. Where's your face?
maganda.
Thank you.
How old are you?
So I'm talking to the wall.
Yeah, the wall, yeah.
Oh, hi, wall.
How old are you?
Oh, I'm 30.
What? You look like 22.
Oh, so you look like a wall.
Yeah, yeah.
Nice talking to you
Yeah.
all. Bye.
So that's it mga amigo amiga. Walay bet. Walay cute na bibi boy. My gosh. Next time na lang pod. Ugma dayon. Nangita ko ugma dayon. Pinaabtik.
Laban lang sa laban. Kaya hindi ay, dali na ako makita na ako ang forever.
Well, anyways, mga amigo-amiga, sa mga wala pa naka-subscribe, please subscribe. Upalihog na lang kong hihitaan ng notification bell diya sa kilid aron ma-notify mo sa mga future videos na ako. Pwede po mo mag-like, pwede po mag-comment, pwede po rin nyo i-share whatever you want. Okay? Stay safe everyone. See you sa next vlog. Bye!